Kitchen remodel, finding space. Creating a neat-in kitchen was Joan Pluck's main impetus for renovating her family's new Canaan, Connecticut, home, but there were other issues. There were only 2 east-facing windows, so the galley kitchen was dark, particularly in the afternoons. A laundry room adjacent to the kitchen took up space needed for a dining area and better storage. Joan also wanted a more inviting and comfortable gathering area. The absolute must-haves were a fireplace in the kitchen area, lots of windows to absorb the sun, and high ceilings, Joan says. Joan Pluck consulted an architectural designer with one-of-a-kind insights into the family's needs, her sister, Louise Brooks. Brooks bumped out the east and north sides of the house to create a new kitchen and sitting room and a new back porch with storage areas. The bump-outs more than doubled the size of the existing kitchen. She pushed ceiling heights to 9 feet and lined exterior walls with ceiling-high windows that flood the space with sunlight.